Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Magical. Today we're going to learn how to solve one-step equations using multiplication and division. If you've ever wondered how to find the value of a variable in a simple equation, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Let's start by understanding what a one-step equation is. A one-step equation is an equation that requires only one operation to solve for the variable. In this lesson, we will focus on multiplication or division. In the last lesson, we looked at addition and subtraction. Let's see how this works with a few examples. Our first example is x divided by 4 equals 7. You'll notice I've drawn this on a scale. That is to help us remember that anytime we're solving equations, we need to keep them balanced by doing the same thing on both sides of the equation. To solve for x, we need to get rid of the fraction. Since x is divided by 4, we do the opposite operation, which is multiplication. We'll multiply both sides by 4, shown in red. Now we'll just simplify. So x divided by 4 times 4 becomes just x. 7 times 4 equals 28. So the answer to our equation is x equals 28. Easy, right? Now let's solve an equation using division. Here we have 5y equals 25. Again, each side of this equation is equal to one another. So anything we do on one side, we must also do on the other side. Here, here y is multiplied by 5. To isolate y, we need to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. We'll divide both sides by 5. That is shown here in red. So 5y divided by 5 becomes just y. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So the answer to the equation is y equals 5. And now for our last example, we're going to look at a word problem. Sarah has 36 apples. She wants to pack them equally into boxes. Each box holds 6 apples. How many boxes does she need? Now, I always think it's good to start healthy habits young. And so when you're doing word problems, I always recommend making a key. With these more simple problems, it may not be necessary now, but as you get older and get into more difficult levels of math, it does become necessary to kind of keep the information organized. So in our key, we show that apples Sarah has equals 36. Apples per box equals 6, and the boxes needed, we're going to make that of the variable b. Remember, variables can be any letter or symbol we use to represent the number we're trying to find. So we'll set up our equation as 6 times b, so 6 apples times the number of boxes equals 36. If we're using multiplication, we're going to stop and think, what is the opposite of multiplication? If you said division, you are right. Our opposite operation is going to be division, and we're going to divide by 6. 6b divided by 6, and then 36 divided by 6. 6b divided by 6 becomes just b. 36 divided by 6 becomes 6. So the answer is b equals 6, or Sarah needs 6 boxes to pack her apples. That's it for today's lesson on solving one-step equations using multiplication and division. Remember, always do the opposite operation to isolate the variable. Try some problems on your own and see how you do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more math tips and lessons. See you next time. Thanks for watching.